more like waterproof, so the wind doesn't get through it either.
No, that's better. It actually does its job.
My other one,
Monroe
like,
Truck Trail.
It helped, but it
With my brother.
let too much wind get through too.
Get across a few creeks.
Freezing your balls off.
Don't let your feet dip in. Third cross. Oh, that one gets deep. Ah, my foot got in. Ah, don't go left. Ah, my left foot got in, but at least my right. Oh, that's smart. Some half cranks. At least my right foot's dry still. Creek next to us. Exactly. You don't realize it. Life is like a box of chocolates, Mama says. I like the good old Forrest Gump quote. Just came up that. We passed some runners coming up, and they were trying to catch back up to us, which a good runner could probably go about the same pace as an average rider on this. At some spots, not here at least, but on a lot of the start there's more climbing. So yeah, here we go. Time to creep out of the valley into the mountain. Freaking gorgeous, dude. Every tree you could imagine, every piece of green. Man. Yeah.
It's a death climb.
Well, that's what, yeah. It does start off more than I kind of remember, but it wasn't bad. Just enough to get you warm.
Yeah.
And then here it's like, yeah, this is great.
I was able to stay in 2 the whole time.
Yeah. And this is how it stays the whole time. It's just, it never gets pitchy.
Yeah, you can go.
And then it goes left.
That's down into, that's what, Glendora.
There you go.
Azusa, West Covina down there.
Monroe Truck Trail, Mystic Canyon fun. Sun is shining like it wasn't supposed to.
Oh, God.
Got here with my brother. Good times.
Mystic Canyon.
I forget the name of this trail up here, but it's a funny name. It's like, I think it's like a downhill or something. My brother decided to stop. Hee. That's enough, he says. Yeah, like it doesn't end, damn it. Traversing across, back up to the end. Yeah, just because of how much you want to record.
Yeah.
Here's that trail I was talking about. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, right there. Oh, that's it. Punk out. I think it's a downhill that comes down that.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know though. I've never seen it when I've come down, so I don't know where to look. You know what I mean? Because it has to start somewhere at the top of this.
Punk out. I want to try that one day.
We got to try to see where it starts.
Right there.
No, it comes down. Right here, you see it.
Oh, it's right there, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're gonna find that.
I've never seen it start though, so we got to try to keep an eye out for it. Ah!
I'll look it up since you know what it's called now.
Yeah.
But that would be cool too, another option.
Well, let's see. It's on our map. Press down on your map and you see it.
It's there?
Yeah, if you press down right now on your Garmin.
Well, then we could find it, another time.
Well, yeah, you can see the.
Follow it up to where it starts.
Exactly. You can see it's up all this whole thing right here.
Yeah, it comes down that ridge.
Yep. That looks pretty ruddy though. I don't want to do that right now.
I'll do it.
Okay. Maniac. Guess we'll see.
You can bring the big bike up this too. It's comfortable.
Makes sense on why it's called Mystic Canyon. Like, look at this. Oh, there's the edge of the fucking trail, but you don't even know it's there because all these trees.
What?
The trail just drops off, but you don't even know it because all the trees. It's just a sheer drop. Right here. But you don't realize it because the trees are blocking it the whole time. Right?
Not go that way.
No. At least the trees are protecting you for the most part. We got redded. Gorgeous. He's not cussing at his bike. Fuck yeah, brother.
Couldn't get clipped in for a second.
Shit sucks. Especially the mud, I had to knock some off.
Yeah.
Hey, there's music. I feel like you now. This rut's doable. Another one though, just it was like 4 inches, so you just kept hitting the side no matter how straight you tried to stay.
I don't have that good of balance.
No. I can balance on an 18-inch roller.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just a single track. Cranking up, little brother. Secret.
Well, we're about 3.5 miles in
Hell yeah.
to our 15 to 20 mile climb.
Yep. Well, it's only like 9-mile climb, because then you go down.
Oh, okay. Only 9 miles.
Then you get to climb out.
Yeah, 9 miles out.
Look at this, brother. Ah. You gotta come out, people.
Right in front of us is where me and Sarah go on GMR.
That's sick.
In that valley over here.
Yep. That's where we get to. And then we cross over it and we
We rode all the way to it today.
to it and beyond.
Yeah, and beyond.
Look, recovery.
I know, I like it. I've been able to sit to 3 and
It's the
4.
best. Heck yeah, man.
I've been keeping the steeper parts at 1.
Tell me
needs
start
to
a
be-
punk out. It's so sick. The
It
ridge
needs to be
line.
cleaned up.
It does, yeah.
This is rideable, but it's got way too much overgrowth.
Yeah. Man.
Well, everybody want to start donating? I'll start doing extra work on the trails.
Yeah. Look at this canopy, man. What? He's talking shit. See here. Let me get the camera out.
Like a ridge
This
saddle.
way.
See if I can get the camera out.
And then this way.
Drop that side. Drop that.
Gorgeous. And we're going.
Pedal on up. One-handed action.
Gorgeous.
Oh, gorgeous morning.
Nice view. Hopefully I didn't just mess up the camera. Ah. Come up this and you can see GMR up there. It's pretty cool. There it is. Way up there.
pretty much to the top of the lower Monroe Trail. Might be like right there.
Gorgeous. Okay. Two hand pump. Reversing across, down to the right, down to the left again. Having a ball. Approaching GMR that we broke off of when we started. Let's see, 6 miles ago, hour and a half or so, hour 29 minutes. We'll be there in about 5 or 10 minutes. And then we go down Upper Monroe. And the fun continues. See how much riding we can get in. Down and then you have to climb back out. Not too bad though. Yeah. GMR. Some dirt. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Still cold out. In the 50s. Let's see here. Too much fun. It's funny, it was supposed to be a cloudy day. I thought we were gonna be miserable out here. And it's beautiful. But it is cloudy over there, the GMR. Oh, it's still closed right there. See it? It's marshmallow skies way out there. Closed right there. Crazy.
That means we could ride to here and then ride the GMR one day.
Exactly.
And then go do something else. And then ride down the Sunset Ridge.
We could even do GMR. Oh yeah, Sunset Bridge is right there.
Yeah, you go climb up this, go across Sunset Ridge or GMR to Sunset Ridge and then ride down that.
Planning the future. Hell yeah. Two other mountain bikers. Here's GMR.
You go straight?
Yep. Look out for the carros. Any Porsches? Porsches flying through again.
Upper or lower.
Yep. It's deceiving. We went up lower, now we're going down upper. Woo, 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 woo.
Oh yeah. And now we're going.
See, brother, that's the high point. Cause look.
It is, but you go back.
Oh, you go back up. I see it over there. Yeah.
Go back up over there.
That's true. Looking at GMR. Yeah. That's so cool. You can show her too. This is a fun one to watch. I missed it. Good thing. I didn't see it the whole thing. I didn't run it over.
You would have known. I would have thrown it right at me off the tires.
Yeah, dude, you just kind of traverse here for a second and then you just... Morning. Beautiful day out. Yeah. Have a good hike, guys. It did. That's funny. I kind of was thinking the same.
I feel so good.
Good to be alive. Get a little snow.
Yeah, there's not much left on this side.
No, that'll change this week though.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get some.
It's gonna be in the, it still says rain, but it's gonna be in the fucking 40s at my house, so.
On I don't know if Tuesday was colder, but it showed
39 at my house on Wednesday, I think.
like mixed at your house.
That's crazy.
But that, you know, that is.
Yeah.
But it could.
That'd be awesome.
It was summer fucking 4 days ago.
It happened a couple years ago. The boys remember it. We have a picture on the wall, snowing in our driveway.
It snowed at my house.
But that was March.
Damn, that is so beautiful. That has been a lot to us.
Oh, of course, dude. Way better than a card. Way to go, man.
I was a little broke, so it was the best I could do without spending extra money I didn't have.
But it did better than what money could have done anyways.
Oh, for sure.
It always does.
I think I lost service on my
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that happens at a point back here. It makes sense, though. Look where you are.
Yeah. I guess we don't need any music when we're back here.
No.
Look at the dirt bike track.
It only sucks when you're alone for the most part.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot funner when you're with somebody.
Yep. Just gotta get out and look. If you don't get out, you can't see. Look at that. Yeah, exactly. You gotta get away from the concrete jungle and you can start enjoying it.
Whoa.
Hey, that was kind of cool. Hey, oh. Oh man, sorry. Squishy, squishy. Oh, a tree. Ah. Yeah, see, coming back up this isn't steep, but we're gonna fly down it, you know? Yeah. You just need to go have fun. Ooh, hey, buddy. I agree. Look at this, dude. We're in a whole new mountain range.
Yeah, we can really get to another valley. There's a river down there.
That's sick.
That's probably that one that river we covered that whole creek.
Hell yeah. Seriously, different atmospheres.
Yeah, we've gone through like 5 different microclimates.
So cool. Hey, back on single track.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, I love it. This is so fun. The guy in the dirt bike came all the way down here.
Yeah, he did. I know, sorry.
Damn that, my eyes. It's alright, I'll just quit.
Like he may have started down here too. Hey. Oh, this is awesome. We're realizing our cameras are a little fucked up.
You're dirty.
You're dirty, bro. Get off my shit. Kiss my ass. Kiss his ass. Kiss your ass. Kiss someone's ass. Oh man, look at this.
Kiss your ass.
I'm pretty sure that's a damn trail.
Oh yeah. Oh,
do you see that?
Uh-huh.
The power line or tower or something up there.
Something up there.
Something sonar.
Yeah, I don't know how
Gives
you
me a
get
boner.
there, but somehow for
Peanut butter and jelly. Now we're going down. We decided to go to the bottom. So it's 9:25. Yeah, no bueno. I'll call my doctor for you. Almost 12 miles in. Having some fun. Fucking guy. Turn the camera on just in time. Yeah, it keeps getting wet when there's a little overgrowth like grass. Oh man, I'm getting all of it from you. Shit. All over the camera. Well, there. Ah. Look at that reservoir, that's cool. San Gabriel Reservoir. That's cool. No idea. Yeah, that too. There's rocks and stuff. Damn, yeah, that was, we were way behind that a while ago. Me either. That's sick. You can tell we're changing climate again. Yes, sir. Hey-o. Get in the right gear. Don't break any teeth. Oh, that too. It's funny, legs feel phenomenal.
Oh, I feel fine.
I feel like it's just time that's going to get us today.
Yeah.
As always.
Right.
Ooh.
We'll go as far as
I don't know where we are. We'll go back to that eventually. But we just went a little off because we saw a cool little deer trail.
Oh my. How am I wearing spandex and my ass still gets stuck on the seat?
Hey now.
Down this little oxygen.
Okay.
Might as well take it.
Uh-oh. Ah! Ah!
We're turning around now.
Let's see. Yeah, that was fun while it lasted.
We were probably supposed to come off of the trail up there somewhere. And this is the down.
It just goes, yeah, it's like 18% right there. And creeping, maybe more.
Yeah, not better than not 18% my legs.
No,
When we have that much, still go back up.
we gotta get to the bottom. We were so close.
Oh yeah, I want to get to the bottom. Plus, we got a lot to go back up.
Exactly. Yeah, a lot of fun. That was cool.
Oh!
Ew. I wish I had my dropper down at the bottom there.
You see me tip over.
I got that on camera. Hey, power lines. Civilization.
There's people around.
Judas Priest, Martha. Come back, radio.
I guess my camera's dirty.
Roger, Roger to Victor Vector. Where's the service on that there phone?
You have clearance, Clarence.
Clarence, Clarence, come on. Here's some power lines. Suck it in. Bunch of goof asses. It looks promising, I think. Don't get a flat there. Okay. Where's the trail? Oh, we gotta go up? Are we going up?
No way.
Is that what's happening?
What the fuck's going on here? Somebody playing games. I think we have to take that other trail down.
Let's see.
And then we can get.
So I think we reached the bottom of Upper. we passed where Upper Monroe starts. Let's just say that.
Yeah. I'd like to get down.
We have to go back up.
Yeah. Back up.
Or wait.
That one trail?
I don't know.
It does look like there's something that comes from there, but
It does. It's
it
just.
doesn't look like it.
I'm just gonna go for a little bit and see.
Why not?
I mean, I don't think so. It just goes to that power line. We're just climbing up and away. I think we need to go to that built stair trail,
Yeah.
like you were saying. Just go down that.
I think so. Looks fine. Yeah, you're good.
Looks promising. Hell yeah. Reminds me that one time I went down Benelli to the Santa, whatever it was called, for that random like 5 miles. Nice.
In this trail, more trail. This way.
Yep. I like.
Yeah.
We found it.
That
Yeah.
might be kind of hard, but
Yeah, but
I'll get our legs turned
a
up.
little bit, get them ready for the not too crazy of a climb after.
2,500, 3,000 foot climb.
Yeah, not too crazy. Just long and forever. Okay, we are.
Grind up.
I don't know. I think we're back on Monroe Truck Trail.
What were we on before?
Riding on Upper Monroe Truck Trail. No, we just got back to it.
We were supposed to turn that other way.
We were supposed to do what we just did, basically.
Oh.
I think it just comes down to this.
I think you went straight through the water tank.
Yeah. Let's see where we at. 15 miles, 9:43. Got at least 20 more minutes of trying to explore.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, at least. Wow. Look at that. You don't even know what's there. San Gabriel River, right? I imagine.
Yeah, that's San Gabriel River.
And
Look
it
how
goes
clear it is.
the reservoir that we saw.
It's like blue.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Ice water. Almost reminds you of the one in Ice House Canyon.
Reminds me of Fish Creek, Kennedy Meadows. If you just had some
Yeah.
more reeds down there, minus the road and the mountain behind
You
it.
can tell there's a lot of water comes through there sometimes.
Yeah.
That's a decent amount for right now.
It's gorgeous.
It's hard to see through all the trees, but I see it a little bit.
So we discovered we're not lost. We just did a nice little lollipop at the end of Monroe that got us to that fun little downhill. And now we're going back up to where we started. Or apparently we're actually on Upper. We're just going back to where we were. Oh, that's cool.
Vida Loca.
La Vida Loca.
2 different trails.
That's cool. They're not on the map right here, but that doesn't mean, you know, most aren't.
A lot of trails aren't legal, you know?
Well, I'm surprised Punk Out was
Actually there.
on there for the whole time too.
That trail looks cool.
Yeah, it looks gnarly.
Gnarly, but cool. Just needs some.
It wasn't a house, just a wood. Hey, I need those for my backyard. Those are the same ones I have right there, the cream.
You know where you got them?
That's funny.
They're free.
They're free.
Full free, huh?
Oh. So cool.
Good.
Yeah, it's right in front of us that we were back going to be on in a minute.
Yeah.
We have to go left first though. You can see it up there, see it?
Yeah, you can. I know.
Officially going back up. You can tell by the blue back where we came. My brother waving from my head. I had to use a whole water bottle to clean this poor little cassette and derailleur. So I had to take my backpack off, camera off, backpack off, and get my fresh water bottle. It was just fresh, and get a new fresh one. And he decided to take off. Nice guy. Good, I'm glad it feels better. I just told the camera how I wasted a whole bottle on it. That's just a start.
Yeah.
That's just the last thing we went down.
Just in front of us.
Oh yeah, shit, yeah, the mountain.
Still just the start.
Yep.
I think we're on the next mountain over.
That's why I had deja vu, because that one rock side looked just like that one.
Yeah, there's that. There's another one further up here, and then there's that big one that we went through.
Yeah.
There's 3.
It's funny, I might take my jacket off if it stays like this. It
Yeah.
depends though,
I'm kind of comfortable still, but kind of warm.
because the sun is on us now officially,
Yeah.
but it's covered by a little bit of clouds. But I don't have my sunglasses on, so it's obviously not hitting too hard, you know?
Yeah.
And this awesome little bridge. Put my bike up there. Now back here to take a picture. See the water? Yeah, look how far back up it goes.
Oh yeah.
That's
I would like to
sick.
take a little hike back up there someday.
Man, it just keeps going. That's so awesome. And no wildlife because they're all hiding in this beautiful dense
Yeah, you can't see them.
brush. You know they're there, especially all this water. Man. Come say hi. My turn to leave him. We're shredding clothes.
Soaking wet.
Yeah.
It's not gonna keep me any warmer.
You're gonna dry faster with just that anyways.
I feel better like this.
Yeah. The sun is warm right now.
I think I can fit this somewhere.
He just stuffed his jacket in my backpack. Took him 7 hours to shake it in. Even though he was just fucking with me. Now he's playing patty cake again. He's got zip ties out. He was thinking of zip tying his jacket to his frame.
I got something else for you here.
What a moron.
Dad!
YouTube mountain biker.
All the steps of getting
Cameras first.
back.
Hey, but at least you can do that. I have to put it on, but I can't strap it because then I have to strap my backpack before I actually strap this.
Yeah.
Because this has to go on top for me because of where the strap is.
What a pain in the ass.
Yeah, you are. Now we match.
Excuse me?
Just different colors, but you know, same awesome shop.
So we're the same color.
Hey now. Okay, up we go for
1 drink of water.
4 miles. I think it's like 3 or 4 miles and 2,500. No, can't be that much.
Like 4 miles up and like 12,000 feet.
Oh, actually, no, it's 10 miles because we stopped. Remember, it was 6.66 when we basically crossed the road and started coming down.
I thought we were like 7.
Well, it was 7. It was 7, but 8 is where I told you the first turnaround. So that's already when we were doing a mile like down. Oh yeah. This is epic. Hey, who's shooting down there? Or is he trying to blow up some gold? Got me. We're coming down San Gabriel Rivers. Still down there. And stay on the trail. We're hearing someone shoot. There's no gun range over here. So awesome. Look at this. Very sick. The best way.
Oh, wow.
Dude. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, don't fall off. Oh, brother, they're doing train work. Is that what it is? Or someone shooting?
Something going up that. I don't know what they're doing. Sounds like blasting, and I don't even know what those almost look like conveyor belts.
Yeah, they do. To carry dirt, carry materials up then.
Material that they're trying to move up.
It is. They're trying to limit road or truck traffic or...
Because you probably can't, it's one way up and down that.
You're right.
You can't pass.
That's crazy.
So they probably had to do it to...
You can see where it stops too.
You know?
Yeah.
So
Crazy.
I think that's what that blasting is, them fixing it.
I think so.
Look at all that. There's a ton of people that do a lot of gold mining in this.
It's pretty cool.
San Gabriel River
Apparently
bed.
people do a lot of gold mining in here. She's my brother. Look at that.
Good reason. There's shitloads of gold in
Gorgeous.
there. You got a sluice box. Against the red. I don't know if it's still allowed.
So cool. There's the reservoir. We're riding away from it. So beautiful. Hey, my brother.
More deer tracks. That's sick. So cool.
We shredded our jackets because the sun finally came out and
up and up, but it's tolerable.
feels great. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, let's see, what's the percentage? We'll look at it right now.
Good.
Yeah, probably 6, 7.
Right.
If I can get the camera back on.
I know, once I get it up, sometimes I can't get it back.
There we go. Okay, what's the grade?
This doesn't count.
4%, but we slowed off, so yeah, 6.
6 to 7.
Let's see. There's 6. There's 7. 6 again. Now 5. Yeah, it's like 6, 7. My kids will get a kick out of that. Yeah. That's funny. Yep. Just following us around. A little storm, like 10, 15. That's cool. Yeah. Camera on, they disappear.
Come on, push it, son.
Stupid stuff. Don't hurt me. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Bushwhack.
Ah, bushy whack. Made it. There's some poop at the end too.
Oh, there's a big old
Ah, big rock. Hey-oo.
plain view.
I just wanted to play on it. I said hi. Hello, rock. I pet it. I pet it with my shoe. Is it? Same one. Oh. We're just a little higher.
Our way around it. That's it.
We're gonna get enough.
Feels
Up there.
nice to be in 2 or 3 going up this shit, even though it's
There's the top up there somewhere. You see the road barely.
I can stand up and let my balls breathe.
Let the balls breathe. Sorry. My brother said
Sorry,
it.
you think about our nuts.
That's what happens 20 miles in.
Start to lose your shit a little.
A little bit. Creeping back up. Slowly but sure. So nice out there. Yep, about to hit 20. Almost 4 hours. About 4,000 feet of climbing. Another 1,000 more or so. And should be fun. Call it a day. Just under 5 hours, 4:40 maybe. That's my guess. 4:40. We'll see. Creeping on up. Slowly but surely. I think you're right, because there was like 3 total.
There was 3.
Yep. Yep.
That's funny, we both remember.
Uh-huh. Finally. We agree on a number.
I've been waiting to see that for a while.
Yeah. Just cruising on up.
That's the top of upper
Yeah.
Monroe truck, you know?
Finally makes sense now.
So we've got probably a mile and a half to the top. Got a few 100 feet.
Awesome. There we are. Getting close to the top of upper Monroe. And then we gotta go down lower. Back to the top. Straddling the saddle again. From right to left. Back to GMR. Back to the start of lower. Ow! You! Scariest part of the ride. You! Oh, yeah. Yep. There you go, you happy? Slow down! Hey, it's raining! Do you feel it? even notice it until you're here.
I saw a guy's video and they were doing this.
Holy.
But I don't think it was this. It wasn't before the rain, so it wasn't this bad. And none of this was here. I didn't see that at all until you started hitting your brakes.
Dude.
And down anywhere into
That's
that,
where it came from, and almost.
You're gonna die. You might be lucky if you stop here, but if you go down that next one, you're dead. See you later.
Sayonara.
Sayonara, sucker.
Just did a nice little climb. Kind of forget about even this one right here, but that one's a little longer. Cruising back. And a new set of mountains. New mountains. Time to have some fun going down. Didn't have my seat down until after that, but my brother always tells me about that. I didn't put my seat down until after that. I saw it and I tried to, but it was too late. That, you get everything. It's so crazy. Yeah! Drop down! It is. Hello! Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! Too much fun.
Our little radio keeps
got a tree! Oh man, you gotta plan that one accordingly. Ew. If you know about some of these, you can jump them, but I forget about all of them. Oh shit. Sick. Morning, morning, guys. A lot easier to dodge this stuff going up. So awesome. Oh, nice launch. Those rocks are... Oh. Oh shit! Hey, another one.
I couldn't get back over there because that was. Oh fuck! I almost fell backwards.
Man, I turned the camera on for that, but not for the fun jump leading into it.
But I didn't feel like jumping at my legs.
Hopefully the camera's not been fucked up the whole time.
Right now.
Yeah.
Stay in front?
Go for it. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay. Oh man. Woo! That was scary. We both did it. Roller coaster. Oh, what are you doing up there? Yeah. Thanks, guy. Have a good one. Oh, go right. Aye! Aye! Hold on, brother. Hold on. Yeah. I couldn't stop with my speed into the rut, and I went into the bush a little, but I had it on camera, so that was fun.
It was kind of hard and weird to get back over to the right and then hop up over.
Yeah, it was like too late by the time I was in it.
Yeah. What is that white thing up there?
I see. It's like I think it's maybe a channel because there's a trail above it, a road. See it?
Yeah, that road's up there. Could be a water.
Oh man. Well, want me to go?
Yeah, you can go and get some more on you.
Hell yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. That was, I think, the last stupid one.
Yeah. Just watch it.
Yeah. Hiker. Later, brother. Morning, morning. Thanks, guys. You gotta land and then turn. Whoa, whoa. Not the best place for a little pop-off jump, but still fun. Uh-oh. Wrong way. Yeah. So beautiful. What's that? Hell yeah. This is awesome, man. Hell yeah, brother. I pointed to it. Do I get any points for that? You probably could have cleared that. That was, man. You could have. If I had more speed, you probably could have cleared it all the way to that little landing. Hey-o. Yeah, you can learn this well and fly. In is better. Outside on some rocks, but. Oh yeah. Ah. I got mine on, yeah, hell yeah. Best part. This is the best part right here. Yeah. Woo! My booty got wet on that one. Hell. I saw it and then just like stared at it. I didn't execute anything. I can't say I didn't have enough time. Oh, Got my right ass cheek. The camera's clean. That's a fine idea. Nice. Aye. Ooh, lots. Go left, go right. I try to do both. Morning, morning, guys. Thank you, just us two. Have a good day. Hey, yeah. Yes, sir. That's a wrap. Whew. There's the truck. Look, no one's here still. Why? Come to Monroe Truck Show, people. It is the best.
Outstanding.